Hi everybody, welcome back to Coaches Pit BBQ YouTube channel. And today we have a brisket choice from Costco. Now today we're going to be trimming this up for vending. We got a vending event coming up, so that's what we're going to do with this. So we're going to leave some fat on there, but just tap just a little bit on there so it can render into the meat. Get it nice and juicy for the whole time we're at the event. So right now we're gonna get our napkins and we're gonna go ahead and pat this dry all the way around this way. And we want to go ahead and make sure it's nice and dry. So when we start trimming it, we go ahead and get all this fat up here, right here. And we're gonna go ahead and take this off right here, all the way down, and we're almost gonna split the flat and the point. Take all that fat off of it that's in between. Yep, just like this. Pat it dry. And also, let me show you guys something here. Over here on this side, I'm sure you guys can see. Right here, we're going to be taking this off. This brown stuff, that's stuff you don't want to eat. All this stuff right here we're going to take off. We're going to turn around. Got the fat cap on this side. Pretty nice fat cap. So we'll take most of the fat cap from the fat cap, but from the point. So most of this is going to come off. And then we're going to leave some on the flat. Alright, and then we're going to almost try to get it separated, almost, but we're not going to separate them. We're going to leave them in as one piece. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this. Get this going. You might hear my son coughing in the background. He's a little sick. He has the sniffles. It's okay. This brisket's gonna cure him right up. Alright, yeah. This. Looks pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start cutting this baby. And instead of making a video that's going to be 30 minutes long, we're just going to fast forward through the cutting process, okay? So, you'll see me cutting next, alright? All right, we got it trimmed up. Now, this is how it looks. Check that out. Get the point right here. Got the flat. Look at that. Took all that fat stuff off. The little fat circles on it. Looks good. All right. So now what we're gonna do? We're just gonna season now. And what I have here, I have salt, pepper, and garlic. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and just get a nice even coat all around. Very good. This is a perfect way to do a brisket right here. Salt, pepper, garlic, can't go wrong with it. That's all I use, even in competition. It's the way to go. Never fails, never fails. I don't inject. Those are my kids. I don't inject. I never injected, even in competition I don't inject. So all I do is just dry brine. Go ahead and, when I'm at a competition, I get my meat inspected. I go ahead and trim real quick. And then I go ahead and put some salt, pepper, and garlic on it and wrap it up. And put it in the ice chest. Just let it brine. And that's it. Then I put in the Yoder and off it goes. There we go. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. Get a nice even coat, flip it around, get a nice even coat in the back. And then after that, I'll be seeing you guys outside in the pit. I'll be in my front yard since we're still under construction in the back. Alright? Alright, we are back from outside the pit, and I wasn't able to get you guys a video of me putting the brisket inside the pit. It was about 4 a.m. in the morning, and I was about half asleep. I apologize, but now we are back, and now I have a cameraman or woman. All right, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and wrap these up and throw them in the oven at 275. Okay, and then we're gonna test them halfway through with the toothpick test for tenderness. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and, this is beef broth that I simmered. This is all beef broth, just beef broth. And then we're going to go ahead and gently coat this, just like this. Get into the meat, let it absorb, just like that. My kids are recording too. Just like this, just a little bit at a time. Don't get that crust come off. Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. And we're gonna do this to both of them. Bathe them in beef broth. Get that moisture in there, get that juice. Get nice and moist. And these burnettes are gonna be delicious. Look at this sucker. Delicious, huh, Papa? Mm-hmm. That's my little kid right there. Chef in training, pit master in training. There we go. A little bit at a time, a little bit at a time. You don't want to rush this process. Tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit, tiny bit. Remember, you can never have too much of this. See all the meat is absorbing all this juice? It's thirsty. Just like that. Just like that. Just a little bit at a time. You guys don't want to dump it all on there. Just a little bit at a time. Here we go. Here we go. Here. Here. Just a little bit more. Right here. God, it smells so good. And then when I pulled this once the crust set. When the crust set, I went ahead and pulled it. I don't really go by temperature. I usually just go by how the crust is reacting to the smoker. So that's me. Everybody has their own opinion, so that's my opinion. But now we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. I'm gonna do this exact same thing to this one. Then we're gonna throw it in the oven for 275 until it's nice and tender. Okay, so once it's out of the oven, we'll show you the toothpick test, and we'll wrap it and show you what we got. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Welcome back, and we have our finished product here, and we have my two little helpers right here. My two kids, they helped me build this sandwich during the event. So what we have here is a brisket sandwich chopped up with barbecue smoked beans. Whoa. And I wasn't able to get you a video of me chopping up the brisket. I do apologize. I will get one next time. Okay, I'll make a video of me making a brisket. Okay, and I'll show you every single step what it takes to make a brisket the way we make it here at Coaches Pit BBQ. Papa. Yeah. So now this is on a 6-inch French roll, chopped up, and a little bit of barbecue sauce on top. Very good. And we almost sold out of these sandwiches. We had about 4 left, and we have those given to the entertainers at the event. So there was a live band, and we gave them some food, and they loved it. It was really good. So thank you for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Yeah. Give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about the video or about any video on my channel, just shoot me a line in the description below, and I'll get back to you. And remember, subscribe. And Coaches Pit BBQ is out.